Creating a dashboard in Wrike provides a centralized space to monitor project progress, track key metrics, and gain insights into your team's performance. Here's a concise guide. Log into Wrike. Start by logging into your Wrike account using your credentials. Navigate to Dashboards. In the Wrike workspace, find and click on the Dashboards tab in the left-hand navigation menu. Create a new dashboard. Click on the plus New Dashboard button to initiate the dashboard creation process. Name your dashboard. Provide a clear and descriptive name for your dashboard, indicating its purpose or the type of information it will display. Add widgets. Widgets are components that display specific information. Click on Add Widget and choose from various options like task lists, charts, or calendars. Configure widget settings. Customize each widget by configuring settings such as the project, team members, or specific data points you want to display. Organize widgets. Arrange widgets on the dashboard to create a logical flow and prioritize essential information. Use drag and drop functionality to rearrange. Set up filters and criteria. Apply filters and criteria to widgets to focus on specific projects, tasks, or timelines. This ensures the dashboard reflects the most relevant information. Share the dashboard. Decide on the dashboard's visibility and sharing settings. You can keep it private, share it with specific team members, or make it accessible to your entire workspace. Save and access. Once configured, save the dashboard. Access it anytime to quickly review project statuses, track KPIs, and make data-driven decisions.